I left my home school because I really wanted a place where I could be more hands-on. I've always been a more hands-on learner. And here, even in your academics, they know what you want to go into. There's not an infinite amount of things you want to do, so they can really focus your academics even on what you want to do with your life. I wanted to go into welding because I grew up in the garage with my father, and it just always was so much fun. My mom and dad, when I told them I wanted to go to Great Oaks, were super excited that I was trying to get a head start in what I wanted to do in life. When they found out it was welding, they were extremely nervous. They didn't want me to come into a male-dominated career field. And so I had them come in here, they talked to my teacher, and it completely turned them around. What convinced them was him telling them about my skills. They didn't think that I was going to be able to do it as well as a man could. I had already been here on the sophomore visit day and already kind of showed him what I knew, and he thought I had a lot of potential, and he told my parents that. He told them all the opportunities I had, and it really convinced them. Being a girl in a non-traditional program was honestly terrifying at first. I was so nervous that they weren't going to accept me, or that I wouldn't even be able to do the work that they could. But I just had to try really hard. Once I earned my respect, just like everybody else has to, everything was great. Some of the best takeaways that I got from the soft skills here were honestly just how to carry yourself. I was very shy before I came to Great Oaks. I was terrified. I could hardly talk to people, and they really just gave me the push to do things. Like, you can't achieve anything if you don't try, and they really helped me realize that. They helped me come out of my shell. The job that I'm doing now is I'm a welding aide at Great Oaks. It's really great to be back here at Great Oaks and helping people learn the stuff that gave me a head start in my career. One of my ultimate goals was to be a welding instructor, so being able to get in here and get a feel for it and see just how great it is to help people learn is just wonderful. I know when I came in, I didn't know that much, and I left with the ability to pass just about any weld test that I wanted to. And it's really great to be able to give other people a head start in their career field. That was the biggest advantage, was coming here. Had I went out into the field with the knowledge that I had before coming here, sure, I could have probably got a job. It wouldn't have been the best job. I would have been lower on the totem pole. But coming here, I didn't know how to just do one thing. I learned how to do everything. I can weld multiple processes. You can hand me a blueprint and I can build whatever you want me to. And I learned all that at Great Oaks.